Good morning, everyone. We're back.
We were off last week because of the snow, but we're so happy to be back with you this morning with better weather.
We'll start this morning with some more new materials from our collection. This week in new materials we have Disney Comics, which is a new series we have of Disney's animated films adapted to a comic book style. If your kid has one of those movies memorized, this may be a good way to get them reading the words that they can already recite. We have many of these, including Beauty and the Beast, Tangled, The Little Mermaid, and many others. Bridgerton, The Duke and I by Julia Quinn. This is a new printing of the 2013 book that has since been adapted into a hit Netflix series. This novel focuses on Daphne Bridgerton and Simon Bassett, the Duke of Hastings, and their uncharacteristic courtship. A Fatal Lie by Charles Todd, an Inspector Rutledge mystery. Scotland Yard's Inspector Rutledge travels to a Welsh village after an unidentified body is found in a river, bringing turmoil to the normally peaceful town. And finally, we have The Taste of Home Quick Cooking, over 500 recipes and tips for today's busy families, the 2021 edition. This cookbook focuses on several categories, including 30-minute meals, freezer-friendly meals, slow cooker and instant pot meals, and meals that use 5 or fewer ingredients.
As always, these items and the rest of our collection are available through curbside service, so you can browse our online catalog and place holds on our website, or you can call us to reserve items and schedule a pickup appointment.
Also, our buildings are now open for computer use by appointment only. If you need to use one of our public computers, give us a call to set up an appointment.
All of our other services are still currently available through curbside service only, including new card signups, but hopefully the COVID situation in our community will continue to improve so that we can reopen for normal library use.
In the meantime, we will continue to give away take-home craft and activity kits for all ages. This coming week, we'll have kits for all children and teens.
Storytime/preschool age children will get their normal weekly kits next week, and elementary students, teens, and tweens will get their monthly kit for March. And we'll share the sign-up link for those kits in the video description in case anyone hasn't yet registered for those kits.
You will only need to register once to receive all of these weekly or monthly kits for kids and teens, so if you've already signed up, don't worry, you are on our list to pick up kits next week.
And we have a bonus kit going out next week as well. In honor of Dr. Seuss's birthday, we will have a special Seuss-themed kit available on a first-come, first-served basis.
These kits are designed for elementary students, but will be available for children of all ages.
Since these are a special giveaway, separate from our normal regular kits, we will not have a sign-up list for these. The Dr. Seuss kits will be available only while supplies last, and they can be picked up at the Central City Library beginning next Monday, March 1st. Please call us to schedule your pickup.
And finally, we will have more kits going out soon for adults as well. Our adult surprise kits will be ready for pickup the week of March 8th. These adult kits will include a surprise activity suitable for any adult.
Adult kits are also available in limited quantities, but due to the nature of the kits, they do require pre-registration. Sign-ups will open next Monday morning, so watch our social media pages for that link.
Speaking of social media, keep an eye out for more fun opportunities there. We have some special activities planned for our followers soon, so follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter if you haven't already done so.
And that's all we have for today. Thank you for joining us again this week, and have a great week.